Imagine the edge of a living cell. It's not a static wall, but a dynamic, oily sea described by the fluid mosaic model. It's fluid because its components, lipids and proteins, are constantly shifting, flowing past each other. And it's a mosaic because it's a complex patchwork of different molecules, each with a crucial job. The foundation is the phospholipid bilayer, a flexible barrier separating the cell's interior from the world outside. But the real action lies with the membrane proteins. These are the gatekeepers, the pumps, and the communication towers embedded within this fluid layer. They manage all the traffic in and out. Some molecules get an easy pass through passive transport, simply diffusing down their concentration gradient from a crowded area to a less crowded one. This is how oxygen slips into your cells, no energy ticket required. Water follows its own special rule of passive transport called osmosis, moving to equalize solute concentrations. But for the really important tasks, the cell spends energy. Active transport is like a powerful pump pushing substances uphill against their natural flow. The famous sodium-potassium pump, for instance, works tirelessly, burning ATP to maintain the precise ion balance that's essential for our nerves to fire and muscles to contract. Beyond just transport, the membrane is a communication hub. Receptor proteins act like antennas, catching signals from hormones or neurotransmitters. This triggers a cascade of events inside, telling the cell how to respond to its environment. This entire process, the selective transport and constant communication, is how a cell maintains homeostasis, that perfect internal balance. From a single thought to a heartbeat, it all relies on the elegant, powerful dance happening at the living border of every cell.